Start first by uploading your PCB. If you click at this icon, you will see all the file types that SIwave can support, especially IPC2581 and ODB++. Click on this orange icon to access the SIwave wizard and select Configure PI Analysis. In order to do induced voltage analysis, you need ports. So select a power plane or an RF line or a group of them and give them some ports. So I can put a port on the VRM and I can put another port on the CPU, which means I'm trying to study how much field is coupled to these two ports. You do configure, validate, if everything is okay, close, and close this one. Do not simulate. Now you go to simulation and you click compute induced voltage. You specify your frequency band, number of frequencies. Here you need to specify the field that's hitting your PCB, from which direction, phi and theta, and how is it polarized. You can have multiple of them, magnitude of the normalized polarization here, and you launch. Now we have some results. Let's look at them. Plot induced voltage on both of them. So the plot, so you can see now the results in the electronic desktop. This is how much voltage you're going to see at each one of these two ports.